In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Replit AI Autofill. If you've noticed Replit suggesting lines of code as you type, that's the AI Autofill feature, sometimes called code intelligence. It can be helpful, but there are times you want full control over your editor, especially when learning, debugging, or measuring your own typing speed. Turning it off is quick, reversible, and won't affect your existing projects. Start by opening Replit in your browser and loading the project you're working on, so you're in the main editor view. Make sure you're signed into your account and wait for the workspace to finish loading. You should see your code editor in the center and the usual panels around it. Next, look for the Tools and Files area. This is typically in the left sidebar and may appear as a section labeled Tools with Files listed underneath. Click it to reveal the Tools panel. Depending on your layout and theme, names can vary slightly, but you're looking for the navigation that gives you access to settings. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it first so you can see all labels clearly. From there, open User Settings. You might see a gear icon that says Settings, or a menu item labeled User Settings within that Tools area. If you don't see it right away, look toward the bottom of the sidebar or near your profile avatar. The key is to enter your account settings panel from within the workspace, not the project configuration only. Inside Settings, go to the Code Editing section. This area controls how your editor behaves, including themes, formatting, and intelligent features. Scroll if needed until you find Code Editing. Once you're in Code Editing, locate the toggle for Code Intelligence or AI Autofill. Turn this option off. When you do, Replit will stop auto-suggesting or auto-completing code for you as you type. Most changes save automatically, but give it a second to apply. If suggestions still appear, a quick page refresh can help the editor pick up the new setting. A couple of tips as you wrap up. You can turn this feature back on any time by returning to the same code editing section and flipping the toggle back. This setting generally applies to your editor environment, so it should carry across projects open in the same account. Turning off AI autofill won't remove other helpful tools like your File Explorer, version control, or terminal. It simply stops those predictive code suggestions. That's it. Clean, distraction-free typing when you need it. Thanks for watching and happy coding.